we have added on home page, and I have added the facilities also on this page. Let's come to the top and click on the blog, and in this blog page I have created the single blog post, and this is the title, image and post content. Let's scroll down, and here you can see the comment box where we have the 3 input field and 1 button. And in the right side you can see post categories where we have added the categories name and number of posts. Then the last page is contact, where I have added the title and address, Google Map, and after that some details like address, contact number and email ID, and in the right side there is one contact form. We can fill this contact form. Let me add the name, email ID and subject and message, and when we will click on the send message, it will send the inquiry to our email when we will upload this form to the online server. When someone will fill this form, then you will receive one inquiry like this one on your email ID. It will only work when you will upload this website to the online server. That also I will teach you in this video. Let's come back to the page and let's click on the home page, and I will open this website in a small size. So when you will open this website in a small devices like mobile phone, you can see it is completely responsive for small screen also. All the layouts are looking good. So this is how it looks for the small screen, and for this menu you can see we have this toggle option. We can open and close the menu from the right side. If I click on the about, it will take you to about page. This is the website that we are going to create in this video, and we will create this website using HTML and CSS step by step. After that we will learn how to upload this website to the online server so that anyone can see our website through the internet. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Now let's start this video. So here you can see I have created one folder, and in this one I have another folder called images where I have added all the images, and here we will add one star, and for this one we will add margin 0 and padding 0. So this margin and padding will be applicable for all the HTML elements. Next, come back to the HTML file, and here we will connect the CSS file. For that we will add the link tag, link rel stylesheet, href and the file name which is style.css. Next we will write the code in the body tag, and it will be displayed on our website. So here first we will create one section, and let's add one class name for this one. So I'm adding the class name header. Now just copy this class name and come to the CSS file. Write this class name with a dot, and here we will add the CSS properties. So first let's add the minimum height for this div, then we will add the width, and now we will add the background image. On this background image we will add the linear gradient color. So I am adding the linear gradient and then color code. This is the first color code, and let's add the second one which is same. Then write comma URL, and in this URL you have to add the image file path. So you can see we have the folder called images, and in this folder I have the image called banner.png. Size and background position. Background position will be center and background size will be cover. Then position relative. So after adding this we have to preview our website. So come back to the folder and open this HTML file with web browser. So I will open with Google Chrome. So now you can see this image on complete web page. Let's come back to the HTML file, and here first we will create one tag which is nav, and in this nav we will add the logo. So I am using img tag, and on this logo we will add one anchor tag so that we can click on this logo. So here I'm adding a href index.html, then image tag and image file path, which is images/logo.png, like this. Next we will add some links. So here let's add one div, and we will add one class name also. So the class name I am adding navlinks. Let's add some list here. So here we will add ul and li. Then we will add the anchor tag so that we can click on the link. And in this one we will add the link text, which is home, and simply duplicate this line because we have to add multiple links. Just rename it. I will write about and course, then blog, and the last one is contact. After adding the logo and menu text, we will again refresh the web page and you can see this logo and menu. Next we have to design it so that it will be aligned properly. So just come back to the CSS file and here we will add the tag, which is nav, and let's add display flex. Next we will add the padding, which will add some internal space, then justify content a space between, and align item center. Now it looks like this. You can see some space from the left side and right side and from top. Let's copy it again and then add img for the logo. Here we will fix the size of this logo, so we will fix the width. So let's add width 150 pixel. Now we will copy this class name navlinks, write it here in the CSS file. For this navlinks we will add flex 1, so it will occupy all the space in the row. Then text align right, so the text will be on the right side. Let's copy it again and here we will add ul and li. For this list we will add list style, it will be none, so there will be no bullet. Then display, it will be inline block, so it will come horizontally. And let's add some padding to add some space, which is 8 pixel and 12 pixel.